Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Daily Drug Info, and don't forget to subscribe Daily Drug Info to watch new videos. Today I will describe drug name as Aspirin, brand name Ascard. Overview and indications. Aspirin, a non-steroidal anti-inflammatory agent used for the treatment of mild to moderate pain, fever, and prevention of thrombosis. Doses: adult dose in analgesic, either antipyretic dose will be 600 mg to 900 mg every 4 hours when necessary. In inflammatory diseases, dose will be 300 to 1200 mg up to 8 gram daily in divided doses. Antiplatelet section, dose will be 75 mg to 300 mg daily. Administration: avoid taking on empty stomach. Take with meals with a full glass of water. Strength available in tablet formulation: Aspirin 300 mg, in tablet Ascard 75 mg, tablet Ascard 150 mg, and tablet Ascard 300 mg. Pregnancy category D. Use in life-threatening emergencies when no safer drug available. Positive evidence of human fetal risk. Adverse effects are diarrhea, nausea, vomiting, hepatotoxicity, hearing loss, gastritis, bronchospasm. Thank you for watching Daily Drug Info.